This is a dictionary, and your dictionary is in ABC order. As you'll notice at the very top of the page, you have your guide words. The guide words on this page are dip and drove. Drip is the first word on the page, and then drove is the last word on the page. Looking at the definition here for correct, you'll see the word correct here, and then this is the pronunciation. So it tells you how to say the word or pronounce the word. And you'll notice there's numerous definitions for correct here. It'll also tell you the part of speech, so that correct is a verb, and then it will give you synonyms for it as well. So the word, pronunciation, part of speech, the definition, and down here you'll see correctable, and that is a word associated with it, and it will also tell you that that is an adjective. This one also gives you some synonyms.